welcome to Pure Kitchen. This is Patrick. Guys, today I want to make you some quesadilla. I'm making shrimp quesadilla, chicken quesadilla, and vegetable quesadilla. So today we are going to make shrimp quesadilla, vegetable quesadilla, and chicken quesadilla. Guys, and my boy's asking for some soft taco, so we can just throw some soft taco into that, and we're gonna call it George, all right? So let me start with this quesadilla thing. Let me get up here, So guys, as you can see here I have my chicken here. I have my chicken there. I have my shrimp over here. And I have my different color of bell pepper here. And then as you can see here, I have my tortilla. I have whole wheat. I have plain. You see, I have low carb, so we're gonna start cooking. So here I have my chicken, but what I did, I fried this chicken, not too fried, not crispy fried, as you can see. So it's still juicy and soft. So I'm gonna cut up small, and I'm using chicken breast. So we're gonna cut this up to go on my quesadilla. Now I'm like this too. I'm just gonna cut this in half. So it can be like this here to go on my quesadilla. So I'm gonna cut up that now, all the rest. Okay, so right now I'm cooking my shrimp for my quesadilla. Put a little black pepper in here. Some black pepper. A little onion powder. Now some molasses. I put some molasses in here. put some flake parsley. Give this about 2 minutes more. I'll take that off, and then I'll do my pepper. So this is finished. So I'm gonna take this off, and then I'll do my pepper, and then we take it from there. So I'll do my pepper here now in the same pan I used. Just quick little black pepper in here. Steam this a little. And a little onion powder. And a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. And I will let it just fry for about 2 minutes, and that's it. This is done. So I'm going to take it out now, and I'm going to prepare my quesadilla. Alright? Yes. Okay guys, so now we're going to start with our chicken quesadilla. Now, as you guys remember my George Foreman quesadilla maker, so I'm using that. Oops. This is my this is my wrap here, my tortilla that I'm using. I'm gonna put the red cheese below here first. I want to make sure the edges hold good, you know. Yes. With my chicken. Put some pepper. Some of the outside, the edges. And then I put a little more cheese. Yes, guys. See this we can do. All right. See how we can do this here. And then we're gonna put another rod on top of it. And we close it down. Good. And let it cook. Then when it's finished, you guys are gonna see what it look like. I'm gonna cut it and you guys are gonna see the inside and everything like that, okay? So hold tight as this cook. Don't go nowhere. Stay right there. Hey, I know, forget guys, please like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification, man. Your notification, okay? Thumbs up. Okay, if you guys like it, thumbs up. All right? At the bottom, below. You got a thumbs up right below there. Okay? You hit a thumbs up below. All right? Comment, man. And if you're new, please subscribe. All right? For all and get all new videos, man. That will be cooking up a storm. All right? Hold tight, man. Hold tight. This is few, man. We going places. I always tell you guys, we going places. And thanks for the 4,000 plus subscribers. Thanks, guys. 2 thumbs from Pew. Okay, so I guess we have, this is number 1. Right here. This one look like. So now, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm using a flat bread, and I'm gonna make it's a nice small one here. I'm gonna use shrimp now on this flat bread. Before I put my shrimp, let me just put some cheese on it. Put me some shrimp. Get some pepper here. A little more cheese on top of this. And then we're gonna put one on top, okay? And I'm gonna have to hold them because it's so thick. I'm gonna hold it down a little until the cheese and stuff start to melt. Okay, so So this is the shrimp we got here. So look here, guys. The shrimp. Let me get this one here, this one here. There's a shrimp here. It looks so good. Don't worry. I don't want to eat now, I'm eat later. So you can enjoy it.